Hi, I'm Dr. Michael Haley from Haley Nutrition, and today we're going to make the Aloe Green Tea Belly Burner Smoothie. It is a smoothie with a purpose, part of my functional smoothie series of videos. Functional smoothie as in a functional food. It's food with a purpose. So I'm not just going to throw things in a blender because I want something delicious and cold. I actually want food with a purpose, and that purpose in this smoothie is to get this excess belly burning. Who can relate? Been to a few too many parties recently. Let's get started. First, I am going to put in green number 1, which is spinach, and a lot of it. A lot of people will juice their spinach and get rid of all that delicious fiber. Not me. It's going in the blender. You'll be amazed at what a delicious texture it has. You're not really going to notice so much fiber. It's going to go down easy. Spinach, great source of things like the phytonutrient lutein, which is great for eyesight. It's got protein, it's got folate, it's got vitamins, it's got minerals. Next, coconut water. This is going to be water with a purpose. All the electrolyte minerals, all the electrolytes that you're not going to find in plain water. Stop drinking plain water. If you drink plain water, minerals have one option, and that's to go from your body into the water. I'd rather drink water with nutrients in it so the minerals can go from the water into my body. That's why coconut water. Green number 2 is the green tea. Now this is a concentrated green tea. I made a batch this morning of about 5 or 6 tea bags in 1 cup, so I'm just going to put a splash. I don't want to be completely wired and up all night. So with that splash, I'm probably getting a tea bag and a half or so with the green tea. Why green tea? Turns on the metabolism, helps burn fat. There's also some unique nutrients, catechins, which are great for things like dental health, great for your brain, just power nutrients. Next, let's add the mango. Why mango? Again, lots of vitamins, minerals, low calorie, high vitamin C, phytochemicals, gonna be absolutely delicious. I'm gonna put some flaxseed in there, about a tablespoon or 2, so let me spoon in a couple right there. High in omega-3 fatty acids, great for cardiovascular and brain support. Also, all that fiber that's gonna swell up in the smoothie just a bit. When it swells up, it's gonna be satisfying. More fiber in the spinach, fiber in the seeds, fiber in the mango. Gonna really get the digestion machine turned on. Let's blend the ingredients. I should have mentioned, one thing I love to do when I'm preparing a smoothie, I like to think about what it's gonna look like when I'm done. Look how delicious that is. Look at all the wonderful green in there. I can't believe I forgot to get a glass out. I'm not done. I'm not done making this yet. You'll notice I didn't put the aloe vera in it. The star of the show, aloe vera. Why didn't I put that in? Because it's a thick gel, and that gel will foam up if I blend it on high like that. So now I'm gonna add about a half cup of aloe vera. I'm gonna take my blender down a few notches to 1 or 2 and give it just a quick little stir in there. You can barely blending. You can hear the blender though struggling a little bit because of the thickness of the aloe vera. Aloe vera is, God's ancient old healing remedy for thousands of years, used traditionally for things like lowering blood sugar in people with diabetes, strengthening the immune system with cancers and viruses. It does so much. It helps people with acid reflux and GERD and irritable bowel disease, Crohn's disease, all of those inflammatory bowel conditions. It is truly God's healing food. Look how delicious that looks. A beautiful green, aloe green tea belly burner smoothie. That's good. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you come back and check out some of the other functional smoothie videos here on the Haley Nutrition YouTube channel.